Why am I not getting any volts? Did that wire break again? Man. Well, it's not squeaking anymore. That's a plus. The only thing I'm seeing right now is I'm not getting any amperage, which is pretty freaking important. So fingers crossed. Hopefully, all it did was break that wire again somehow. Well, I'm an idiot. Whoops. Yeah.